he will be. He's doing every commercial and endorsement possible right now. So maybe you'll see him on there. I'll link up the details if you want to book your Swifty cabin before they get sold out. Odyssey.com/brew. That's what's brewing today.
Wake up.
It's the wake-up call.
This is so dumb.
Which part of it?
Continuing to keep trying to make the next hottest pepper.
Right.
Why? The pepper?
Yes.
Are you going to cook with it?
You can.
Okay, I know you can. Are you?
I'm sure somebody has.
I think you're getting on point.
I'm not getting it.
The only reason that these peppers exist is so that weirdos like you can challenge each other to some sort of big crotch contest.
I love the wake-up call. The wake-up call.
Hear the fun funny every morning on the wake-up call. Catch up on what you missed. Text their podcast at endonline.com or on the free Odyssey app. This segment of music is brought to you by...
Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Why is Mom all stressed out?
She did her Thanksgiving shopping at Smart & Final. Jenny frozen turkey is 69 cents per pound, limit one with $25 minimum purchase.
Is she gonna want to spend extra time with us?
Definitely. Smart & Final. One trip and that's it. Oh, Mr. Candlelight,
Yes.
there you are.
I'm here for my counseling session.
Yes, you are. And I forgot you have a fear of opening doors. Please come in. You just need an incentive, like S&G Carpet's grand opening sale.
Grand opening sale?
S&G just opened a new showroom in Northwest Arkansas, and to celebrate, they'll pay your sales tax and give you up to 20% off select flooring.
Even Karastan?
Even Karastan. Let's practice, Mr. Candlelight.
20% off. I did it.
Just need to go into any showroom or shop at home with their mobile showroom.
20, 40, 60.
It's not cumulative, Mr. Candlelight.
What?
It's only during their grand opening sale that S&G will pay your sales tax and give you up to 20% off.
I was just getting the hang of it. S&G Carpet is growing, and to celebrate the grand opening of their new showroom in Northwest Arkansas, this month S&G will pay your sales tax and give you up to 20% off select flooring, even Karastan. S&G more than carpet. Go to sgcarpet.com for the showroom nearest you, or to have their mobile showroom come to you. Now offering tile and carpet cleaning.
Fargo, the new virtual assistant from Wells Fargo, makes banking faster and easier. Like this.
Fargo, what's my checking account routing number?
And
Fargo, turn off my debit card.
and this.
Fargo, what did I spend on groceries last month?
And that's just the beginning. Do you Fargo? You can. In the Wells Fargo mobile app. Learn more at wellsfargo.com/getfargo. Terms and conditions apply. Your mobile carrier's availability and message and data rates may apply. Wells Fargo Bank.
Oh.